bell, so I guess we're recording now. AndromoAppCourse, how to add monetization to your apps. Hello, my name is Christopher Wilson, the self-proclaimed mobile app mogul. And in this next training, we're going to be learning all about how to add your ads or monetize your apps so you can make money. Okay, this is the fun part, finally. Okay, so I entitled this course, Show Me the Money. If you remember the old movie back in the 90s, Jerry Maguire with Cuba Gooding with his catchphrase, show me the money. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do in this training. I'm going to show you the money. We're going to talk about a little bit about app monetization, some do's and don'ts and so forth, but I got it all outlined here. So we're going to go ahead and get started. You're going to learn how to add, that should be add monetization to your apps. How do ads work in your app? What ad network should I use? The good problem of choices, best formats to use, best settings for frequency, and problems you may encounter with Admob. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started now. I sent Andromo a support email about my projects. So I incorporated all my old projects into the new platform. Okay, and that's what we're looking at here. But anyway, I incorporated the one app, our practice app we're using is unicorn wallpapers. Okay, so I got that right here, and we're going to keep on using that one. Okay, so real quick, you should already have your app built and up on Google Play and Amazon, actually. I want you to have those two sites or those two platforms, those two app stores, you know, your app on both of those platforms already. Okay, now we're going to add the monetization. So do that. Click on your monetization tab. Now you're going to have to go ahead and upgrade your account to either the Pro account or the starter account. Okay, and actually I need to do that on this account also, but I can still show you the training. So once you do that, you won't see this anymore, and you can go ahead and add your codes into your accounts. Okay. Now let's talk about a little bit about these ad networks. One thing, if that's the good problem with Andromo, you get a lot of ad network choices. Okay. Admob, of course. Well, this Andromo ads, that's new. I don't have a training for that yet because I don't even have that in my apps. But Admob, you got Amazon mobile ads, you got AppBrain, you got AppLovin, Facebook, and Start Apps. Okay, you got options. Okay. Tell you a little bit about Admob. Admob is probably the biggest network. And with Admob, you can incorporate interstitial ads, which is like when you open up an app, it shows, you know, the first thing that shows up on the screen is the big page. Okay, that's an interstitial ad. You can add banner ads, which are placed at the bottom. Okay, they're banners. And with Admob, you can also add reward videos. You know, when you first open up, it's like on YouTube. You know, when you first go to the video, you may see when you first go to the video, yeah, you'll see a video. Same thing with the apps. You may see a video playing. Okay, make a lot of money with those. Okay, yeah, that's a little bit about Admob. Amazon mobile ads shows, you know, just Amazon advertisements. They have interstitial and banners. Okay, same thing as Admob, but they don't have reward videos as of yet. I don't know. They may get that. AppBrain, that I haven't used that much. I didn't get good results with that, so I wouldn't recommend AppBrain right now. I'm not going to do a training on that. AppLovin, what AppLovin does is just show nothing but video ads. Okay, so when you open up your app, you may see a video, and that will probably be an AppLovin video. they specialize in. Okay. Facebook Audience Network. Let me tell you, Facebook, they are on their game when it comes to these ads in your apps with Facebook. You can probably make just as much. Well, actually, you can make more money with Facebook ads than AdMob. Okay, and StartApp, that's the company that I used. I've got results with that, and I've got payouts with StartApp. Okay, I've got payouts with all of these before. But AdMob so far was the leader. But yeah. Now, the question you may have: those ads that show up on your app, can I use all of these networks? Yes, you can. Okay. Most of my apps have AdMob, Amazon, and AppLovin, and Facebook. Okay. Now, StartApp, I'm gonna tell you one thing. I would not use StartApp with AdMob because I've had a few issues with that where from Google Play. Well, actually, yeah, from Google Play actually saying that the ads are not compliant with their policies. Okay, and AdMob sent me a couple emails saying that it kind of overtakes their apps and it's not compliant. So don't use AdMob and StartApp in the same app if you put it on Google Play. If you put it on Amazon, that's different. Okay, or if you put it on any other app store, that's different. Okay. Yeah, but the way it works is, let's get back to my okay. How do ads work in your app? Okay. Basically, what they do is they kind of, I want to say take turns, but that wouldn't be right to say because they actually don't take turns. When a person downloads your app or when a person uses your app, what happens is it searches your app through their bots and metrics and so forth, searches for an ad to be placed in your app. Okay. Whether it be an interstitial, reward video, and so forth. Okay. So the ad networks that when they find one, they'll display that, whether it be from AdMob, Amazon, AppBrain, AppLovin, and so on. Okay. So I don't want to say it take turns, but then, you know, I guess you could say it kind of it's on a rotating basis. Okay. You know, so, you know, it depends on, you know, what the person is used to searching for. You know, they got their bots to determine that. They may show Amazon ad, okay? Or they may show AdMob ad or AppLovin ad, okay? Depending on, you know, how that goes, okay? So, but you can use all of these in the same app, okay? For your Amazon apps, you can put AdMob in there. You can put AppLovin in there. You can put Facebook in there, okay? Or for your Amazon ads, you can just put Amazon, okay? For your Amazon, for your Google Play apps, you can put Amazon ads in there. So they'll show Amazon ads. Or you can just put AdMob, or you can put all, okay? As I said before, you can use them all, but I would not use StartApp with AdMob on Google Play, okay? And I hope I didn't thoroughly confuse anybody, but yeah. Okay, so I think I covered that. What ad network should I use? You got the good problem of choices. You can use them all, or you can use certain ones you want. Okay, you may want to, you know, do some testing that on your own. Okay, best formats to use. I would say you can use, well, actually use them all. Use the interstitial ads, use the banner ads, and use reward video with AdMob. Okay, so use them all. You know, you want more money. Those interstitial ads, they bring in the money. Okay. All right. Let's move on. See now, let me show you my back office real quick. Let's see if I can show you one of my old apps. You can adjust the frequency of the time or the times that an ad shows. Let's put it like that. Let's see. Okay, this is my funny ringtones, whatever. Okay. And those are my Amazon keys in there. I see they're still there, but yeah. I want to get to what I want to get to. Well, I don't have them. Well, actually, it may not show. Okay, Interstitial ad settings. Okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, Interstitial ad settings. And once you upgrade your account, you're going to get this tab down there also. But yeah, time between ads. And I can't set it because I haven't upgraded on this account. But you can set it for 2 minutes. I think it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and so on, 30 minutes or whatever. I usually set mine at 2 minutes because, you know, I want those ads showing. Okay. You don't want to have it distracting though. So I have some apps I use 5 minutes also, you know, because you don't want people uninstalling your app because of too many ads. Okay. That's one thing, you know, that would be a problem. Okay, require several interactions before showing the interstitial ad. That means a person, you know, they have to, you know, do several interactions, just what it says. Okay. Before you want to show an interstitial ad. Remember, the interstitial ads bring you the most money, actually. Okay. Because, you know, people tend to click on those. And sometimes when they try to click off the X, sometimes they click the ad and you can make money accidentally. Okay. All right. But usually I have mine set between 2 and 5 minutes. Okay. That's my recommended settings. Okay. And yeah. So with that being said, we're going to get on to the next video, which will probably be setting up your Admob ads. And actually, I may continue. But anyway, for that, I think I covered everything that I wanted to cover. Okay. Problems you may encounter with Admob. Okay. Sometimes, and it is not your fault in your app, but what they'll do is Admob will send you an email saying that there's a problem. Your app may be showing ads that are inappropriate or whatever, but that's not your fault. It's their fault. But what you may have to do is kind of tweak the settings in your Admob account. And I'll show you how to do that probably in a later training. It's real easy. But you know, they're so funny. You know. But what they may do, they may stop running the ads in your app. What you can do, just email them back saying, you know, you corrected the problem and so forth. And, you know, the problem has been settled. So with that being said, remember to send me all your comments and your reviews, please, because I feed off of that. Okay. I want to know how you're doing also, how your app is doing. But send me some comment. If you're having a problem with something, you know, even if you think it's a little thing, send me a comment on it. Real quick, someone sent me a, yeah, let me get to it. Send me a comment about their app was rejected by Google Play. Okay. I want to hear that. You know, I want to hear that so I can address it, so I can show others. Matter of fact, let me get to it real quick. And what I did was I actually addressed that issue. Matter of fact, I'm going to make another video about how to get past these Google Play, you know, strongholds is what I call them. No, I don't want that. Let's see. The channel that I want is, let's see, let's switch account. There we go. But I'm showing you this real quick. But like I said, send me your comments and send me any issues that you may be having, you know, so we can address that so everybody can, you know, benefit from that. I'm working on setting up a Facebook page, you know, where everybody can interact with each other, and a couple more pages or a couple more forums you know, where people can interact. But let's go to the channel, and I want to show you this real quick. This is on my video 3, and I like this person took action. They really did. They took action immediately because I showed you how to build your app in video 2, and I'm going to teach you. But here's what he said. You're going to teach you a method where you can use my templates to download. Stop talking, Chris. Okay. Okay. Here it is right here. I upload my wallpaper app on Google Play, but get rejected. Please help me. Okay. So I responded back to him. I said, what did the rejection email say? Why was it rejected? What's the name of the app? Okay. He sent back this. Your app has been rejected. He sent me part of the email. Okay. And it was a Fortnite wallpaper. And actually, I had a Fortnite wallpaper. Mine was good because I put the filters on the images and I put 2 filters on the images. Okay. But anyway, I addressed this problem in a video. Okay. So if you want to see that video of what I showed them what to do, click it right there. So with that being said, Christopher Wilson, the mobile app mogul, and I'm signing out, and I'll see you in the Admob training coming up next.